Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the phone dial pad sound on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now, you can hear when I tap on it, it makes this sound. So if you don't like that sound, you can change it to a different sound. Now, first tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on sounds and vibration. And in here, tap on system sound. And in here, you got 4 different sounds you could choose: calm, retro, or galaxy. So let's say what happened when I choose calm. So still make that funny noise. So I need to tap on the back key to save the changes. Can you hear it make the changes? So remember to tap on the back key to save the changes. So let's see if we can choose a different sound. So Galaxy sound, and tap on the back key, and then if we go back to the dial pad, and that's what it sounds like. And that's how you can change the dial pad sound on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.